For over 2 decades we've specialized in precision cable assemblies and wiring harnesses certified to ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485 standards. Our solutions power consumer electronics, automotive systems, medical devices, aerospace applications and more. We offer LVDS and micro coaxial molded and waterproof cables with premium connectors from Molex, JST, Hirose and others. From 0.25 mm fine pitch to 488 AWG micro wires, we build exactly to your specs. Let's work together to deliver performance you can rely on. Contact us today to get started. For over 2 decades we've specialized in precision cable assemblies and wiring harnesses certified to ISO 9001, IATF 169